Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today this is just going to be a quick unboxing of a really cool device. This is the Zhiyun Smooth 5 smartphone gimbal stabilizer for Android and iPhone. And we're just going to unbox it and kind of see what comes in the box and how it comes. I've already took the outside wrapper off. Over here you've got your little labels. You can download the app to use with the gimbal, but you don't have to use the app with the gimbal, which is one of the cool things about this gimbal, the fact that it works with or without that app. You can use it with other apps as well. And one of the reasons why I got it is because there is supposed to be support for Filmic Pro, which is one of the most advanced video recording apps for iPhone. There is supposed to be, well, iPhone and Android, but specifically for me, for iPhone, there's supposed to be support for the Filmic Pro app through the gimbal coming up in the next couple of months. So you've got your service card here, you've got your manual with all the information. Let's see, you've got, well, let's take this is the gimbal itself. Comes nice and wrapped. This is a very thick plastic, so you want to make sure it stays protected while it's shipping to you. You've got your, there's a pad under here. This is the gimbal itself, obviously. This is your smartphone clamp here. And yeah, it's pretty lightweight. A lot of rubber on the grip, nice rubberized grip, which I like. The rest of most of it is plastic, as you would expect. It's not cheap, I wouldn't say, but fairly inexpensive in the world of gimbals, and one of the best reviewed for for heavier phones. I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max, and so that's one of the main reasons. The other main reason I chose this gimbal, a lot of gimbals for smartphones would not work great with the weight of the iPhone 13 Pro Max, especially if it's in a case and or you have anything else on it. But this gimbal seems to be one of the best for actually holding the weight of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. You can see all these buttons you've got here, your little control knob, record mode. This one has different buttons, menu button. This is a spin wheel and a button over here which can interact with the Zhiyun app and hopefully upcoming the Filmic Pro app. You've got your lock button, got a little trigger here, and then that looks like a charging port there where you charge it up. Yep, it's charging. And you can see 5 Smooth by Zhiyun. And then you've got another port up here. I think you can connect this to your phone to charge from here to your phone, I believe. That's what that is for. Let's see what else comes in the box. You do also get, looks like this is just going to be a charging cord. Yeah, this is your charging cord, so you can charge the gimbal up. It is Type-C, which is great. And over here, you've got probably your little tripod. Yeah, so this tripod screws into the base here, and then you can open it up so that you can use it as a tripod. Of course, because it is a standard tripod, screw hole in the bottom, you could put that on any tripod or any other accessory that uses your standard port. And it looks like that's going to be everything that comes in the box. Yep, that's it. That's what you get. There is another package deal with the Zhiyun that comes with a few other options, a light that comes on the top and some other things, a case for it. But this is just the basic, just the gimbal itself. And yeah, that's everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for the unboxing. You can click that like button if you like this video, favorite this playlist, or subscribe to my channel. Keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, post them down below. It may take me a little while to get to know this thing, but I'll do my best to answer any questions if I can. And yeah, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.